So guys, I'm finally back and I have the Amazon box here. So let's unbox and show you what I bought for my freelance makeup kit. So now I'm going to open the box. I hope everything is in here. Why is it only one? Oh, it says 12 packs. And I have so these are the items that I brought. I brought some microfiber cloth, and I brought some rhinestones for whenever I have to do fashion, like fashion makeup, because like editorial makeup, this is perfect for that. So I'm grateful that I bought these items. So let me show you how. I don't really need to open this, but I want to see how it looks. So let's open this. And see. Right, for these beads. For the rhinestones, I thought I was going to have to separate them. And what's in this box? I'm curious as to what's in here. So what came in this box here is some glue. What else? There's another glue and a pencil that's in here. This is for like when you decorating a where's the top to this thing? There's no top to it. Okay. So it came with these I think these are resin glues. It came with 3 resin glues. I think that's what these are. It came with these glues, a pencil, and a tweezer for you could pick up the rhinestones. So that came in that little white box. And this is what the these rhinestones are pretty. What the rhinestones look like. It's in a rainbow setting, of course. So that's what the rhinestones look like. And let me see. I want to keep this closed because, yeah, a lot of pretty rhinestones. I like these rhinestones. I never know what I'm going to come up with as far as doing some fashion makeup, editorial makeup, or decorating even decorating my Starbucks cup or something like that. I don't know exactly. But yeah, so that's that for that one. I love the rhinestones. And these microfiber cloth. Let me open this because I've been needing to buy these things from the beauty supply store, but oh gosh, Margie, open the thing. Okay. So I bought these cloth to go. So whenever I this doesn't look like 12, it's flat. See how flat that is? It doesn't look like 12 microfiber cloth. But we're gonna open it up and see, because this look like maybe 1 or 2, I don't know. It's just my guessing, but let's see. Yeah, these are the cloth that I definitely need for, yeah. It's the same cloth that you use when you, it's the same cloth that you use when you're in the hair salon and you trying your clients' hair, but I'm gonna use these for setting up backstage with makeup. So I'm going to also show you how I set up for makeup backstage on my sofa, because I don't have any tables really set up so that I can show you how I set up. So stay tuned for that. So guys, there was one other package that was in another box inside the Amazon locker. So I picked up my, let's unbox this. This is the cases where I can hold beads and rhinestones. So let's open it. Let's do this unboxing. I'll show you. It's these cases. Hopefully you can see. Let me show you. Because I wanted to put the rhinestones in these so that they don't get all over the place or get missing or messed up. So that's what these are. Hopefully you can see what they are. The bead separators. Yeah, these are like bead jars. So let's open it. So each one contains, I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 little jars, and the rhinestones will fit perfectly in these. And it also goes like this. This is what they look like inside the container. This is perfect for whenever you have, like let's say you're doing festival makeup, you're doing carnival makeup, editorial makeup, you know, any kind of makeup, or this is great. So I'll just show you how I take the rhinestones and put them in here. And then it has like this little latch here on the back, not on the back but on the bottom. And I bought 2 of these, like I said. So, and let me show you how I set up for makeup at a fashion show or photo shoot. So this is how I set up for a fashion show, although it's set up on my sofa. It's set up on my sofa, but this is how I set up. It would be much more if I, so this is the whole case right here with the pencils, the lip pencils on top and the eye pencils. I showed a video of this and how I do set up with the makeup. So this is the eyes case. This is the case with all the eyeshadow palettes. This is the lip bag with the, I showed you how this already is. This is the face. There's the rhinestones that I showed you. And this is the other pack of rhinestones. I did a video on this, and if you care to watch it, you can. And I did a video on this as well. So, yeah, that's how I set up like let's say if I had to go to someone's house and set up on their sofa, this is the way that I would set up. But if I was at a photo shoot, it would have to be like this. Because I would need, like, narrow down the space, I would have to set up everything like this. Like that. So that way I could have more room for not only myself, but for another artist. Let's say another artist is working right beside me. I would have to set up that space, or either leave that space for her or him to set up his makeup and let him work right beside me. And then from there, we share from each other's kit, like let's say if I have something that he doesn't have or she doesn't have, I'll let him borrow it or let her borrow it, so that, you know, because that's basically what makeup artists and hairstylists do. We share things with one another, and we just help get the job done for the fashion show, the photo shoot, or the wedding, whichever is possible. But yeah. So this is what I'm doing. I'm taking the gems from here, the rhinestones, and I'm putting it in these jars. See these jars here? I got 3 jars down, and I'm almost done with this set. So what I use to take these rhinestones from here is I use this 1/4 teaspoon. I know this is a food spoon, but in order for me to get the rhinestones from here into the jars, I use this spoon. This is a Betty Crocker 1/4 teaspoon, I'm sorry. So yeah, I use that, and sometimes I use my fingers. So I got 1 more jar and 4 more to go so far here. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you the finished product. I also want to see a video of my fellow fashion or bridal makeup artists. I want to see how you guys set up your makeup kit when it comes to a wedding, a fashion show, or a photo shoot. And let me know what products you have in your kit, because I also have a video saying what's in my makeup kit. So I'll put that thumbnail up here too. So yeah, let's exchange and support one another. God bless. Bye.